Why does my tap water taste like a swimming pool? Seriously, am I drinking water or a chlorine smoothie? Raise your hand if you love mystery floaties in your glass. No one? Yeah, me neither. And don't get me started on plastic bottles. My recycling bin is basically a bottle graveyard. But what if I told you there's a plot twist? Introducing my secret weapon, the Brita Plus Water Filter. Cue dramatic music and slow zoom. This isn't your grandma's water filter. Brita Plus traps 2x more contaminants. That's double the defense against weird water vibes. Activated carbon? Check. Mesh screens? Check. Ion exchange resin? Sounds fancy, also check. Bye-bye chlorine taste and odor. Hello, water that doesn't taste like a public pool. No more copper, cadmium, or suspicious floaties. Just pure great tasting hydration. And the best part? Less plastic waste. Each filter replaces up to 300 bottles. That's like a small army of bottles. Gone. Imagine your kitchen without bottle towers. Your recycling bin will thank you. Plus it lasts 2 months or 40 gallons. That's a lot of hydration. Works with all Brita systems, except Stream. Sorry, Stream users, still love you. Brita is the #1 brand in water filtration. So, it's legit. No more guessing games with your water quality. No more buying endless plastic bottles. No more gagging at the taste of tap. Just fill, filter, and sip like a hydration boss. Brita Plus makes water taste so good, you'll actually want to drink 8 glasses a day. Your plants will be jealous. Your pets will be jealous. Even your neighbor's cat will be jealous. And switching is easier than finding a meme for Monday. Just pop it in your Brita pitcher. Let the filter do its magic. Wave goodbye to contaminants. Wave hello to delicious clean water. And if you forget to change it after 2 months, don't worry, it won't judge you. But your taste buds might. So set a reminder or let your water remind you. 'Cause life's too short for bad-tasting water and way too short for single-use plastic waste. Ready to level up your hydration game? Get the Brita Plus Water Filter today. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you. Hydrate like a pro, save the world like a hero. Brita Plus. Because water shouldn't taste like regret. Now, who's thirsty?